Hi, welcome with another new video. So today we are discussing about the business insurance. So it's a non-boring article about business insurance. So hope uh, so let's do it. I work in a business insurance, which means that as soon as tell people what I do, the viewing, and yet almost every business has a sum of forms and insurance to protect its firm, fires, lowest and wetlands things, and that are 100% not boring. In fact, the first business insurance policies came from Lloyd of London, which used to be a coffee shop where sailors and merchants. It was a perfect storms picked up on how dangerous sailing was, and that the merchants wanted insurance in case their sailors went thrown overboard, good wears lots of sails, and the British did bright things. This later's coffee shop starting selling maintenance insurance, and the songs enough it become a nexus of the insurance world. 300 years later, if you are a small business owners, chance you are don't need private insurance. If you have a don't help you. For most business owners, there are a four non private kinds of insurance that they cover most major expenses. First of all, we are discussing about general liability insurance. So general liability insurance is a meat uh, and and of insurance pretty much every business can benefit from. It's because it covers basic risks like slip and fall accidents, damage and other properties, liable and slanderous losses. Or to put the more simply, if you hurt someone, break someone, and or say something stupid, there good chance to general liability insurance can cover your business. So because it covers the basic risks of incurring with a public, you may need two policies to sign in to lease your new storefronts or open a bank account. And then now we are discussing about general liability in the news. A plastic surgeon and goes purchase the magazine that surgeon stone has a facility stones filled a slanderous loss against from the surgeons and won. The damage avoided in the case of unknown, but here the hoping and the surgeon had general liability insurance because that was probability is a scary price tags. So then we are discussing about a professional liability insurance. So let's start. We all mess up someone. Professional liability insurance is made for professionals who work high stakes industrial where one brains or musculations could cause the clients to lose hundreds of thousands of dollars. So who need it? That depend, but you can probably benefits from this policy. If your professional organizer requires, for example doctors and lawyers are required to have it, clients work not have your analysis, you carry it, pay specific attentions to that. Second reasons, if you are an architect, software developers, consultants and contractors in these industries, client went recently that it you mess something up, you can cover their losses. Here the beautiful part, professional liability insurance can even help when you are blamed for someone else screw up. That refreshing news to anyone who has worked up on a project with people they never met. Client, character, vendor and so on. Professional liability in the news magician divide his announced after made Copperfied money disappeared. I couldn't result according to the Copperfied that accounts errors landed him with a bill of 4,070 in unpaid taxes. If the accountant does not have a professional ability to pick up that bill, hopefully he depends pocket. So then we are discuss about worker compensation insurance. So business owners workers bear risks of getting injured, and the work business owners bear risks to getting 6 hour workplace accident, ground right. Workers compensation insurance for the compensations if an employee is injured, and workers compensations during flaming for a rocky and whatever the result too much realism. Still one hospitalized after the blow to the chest, swelling that pressed against his heart. because its accident happened on a job. So could have a field a worker compensations come to cover his medicals bill. So hope you understand the topic of this business insurance and hope you got it your point. So thank you so much for watching this video.